Hey gearheads and design enthusiasts, get ready because what you're about to see is not just a car, it's a statement. We're talking about the future of French luxury and performance, wrapped in a breathtaking package. Today, we're taking a first look at the stunning 2026 Citroën DS Coupé. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. Alright, let's kick things off with the exterior. Just look at this face. The 2026 Citroën DS Coupé, as hinted by the 2026 COSB on the front, embodies a bold new design language for Citroën's luxury DS line. The sharp, defined lines, the aggressive yet elegant grille, and those striking LED daytime running lights give it an undeniable presence. It's modern, it's sophisticated, and it's quintessentially French in its flair. Now, let's swing around to the rear, because this is where the Coupé truly shines. The image of the red DS6 Coupé is just mesmerizing. The integrated spoiler, the sleek, full-width LED taillight bar, it's pure automotive art. The pronounced rear diffuser and those quad exhaust tips with red accents scream performance. This isn't just about looking good. It's about conveying a sense of dynamic capability that matches its stunning aesthetics. Imagine this beauty gliding down the road. Heads would definitely turn. But a car is more than just its exterior, and Citroën has truly outdone themselves with the interior. Take a look at this cabin. The blend of black leather with rich, warm brown accents creates an incredibly inviting and sophisticated space. The quilted stitching on the seats speaks volumes about the craftsmanship. The dashboard is clean, modern, and features a large digital display for the infotainment system and instrument cluster. We can see tactile buttons for climate control, suggesting a blend of modern tech with user-friendly ergonomics. The multifunction steering wheel and metallic accents further elevate the premium feel. While exact specifications on powertrain options are still under wraps, given Citroën's push towards electrification, we can anticipate a range of powerful and efficient options, likely including hybrid and potentially all-electric variants for this 2026 model. Performance and driving dynamics are expected to be refined, offering that signature Citroën comfort, combined with engaging handling. This coupé is clearly designed to challenge the established players in the luxury sports coupé segment. In conclusion, the 2026 Citroën DS Coupé is shaping up to be a game changer. It's a testament to Citroën's renewed focus on bold design, luxurious interiors, and advanced technology. This isn't just a car, it's a statement piece, a blend of art and engineering that promises to offer a truly unique driving experience. What do you think of the 2026 Citroën DS Coupé? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.